Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Sendor token. Now this token is on the Solana blockchain. This is based off of a Matt Furie character. They got a market cap of over $1 million. Pretty popular token that was created on Moonshot. And you can tell because on Dex Screener they have the little Moonshot button. Now this token here, it's doing pretty well. Actually, a couple people requested that I do an info video on this token. So here we are. We're talking about Sendor on Sol. And we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Sendor token. So Sendor, a big blue gigachad from Matt Furie's comic book called Mindviscosity, and the only sentient AI-powered Matt Furie meme coin on Earth. Now, this is not brought to you, this token is not from Matt Furie. Like, he did not create the token. He created the character, just like Pepe, just like Landwolf, Andy, Brett, Bird Dog, all these different Boys Club, Knight Rider, and Mindviscosity characters. He creates comic books, and then other people pay homage to these characters by creating meme coins based off the characters. So this was created by somebody else, not Matt Furie. They do have a link to their webpage right there on the Twitter. So the Twitter is at Sendor Solana. And then the webpage there, solanasendor.com. If you go over there, you're going to find tons of links. They just joined Twitter November 2024. 719 Twitter followers, 313 tweets. And in their pinned tweet there, if you scroll down, you're going to find a full link tree of everywhere you need to go, or everywhere you could need to go. Contract address, webpage, SolScan, Telegram is there as well, and Dex Screener charts. Now, you can also find the token on Bird Eye and Dex Tools, and maybe in the future, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, if they apply to be listed on there. But yeah, it's easy to find the contract address on this Twitter right in the pinned tweet, or just go to that web page right there. Or the SolScan or the Dex Screener, you can find it all over. But basically, if you wanted to get this token here, first of all you would need is a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, a Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet. Any one of these wallets would do. You'd fund your wallet with Sol. Now, you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you get the wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC, fund the wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, then trade your Sol for the Sendor token using the contract address you could find in their pinned tweet right there. You probably won't have to set slippage. I didn't see anything about taxes. There will be a little bit of gas fees, and maybe you could also get this token off other dexes like Jupiter, Meteora, Orca, and maybe some central exchange listings in the future. That's why it's a good idea to follow the Twitter for announcements like new token listings, new partnerships, updates, announcements, memes, all that stuff. And same with their Telegram, which is linked there at Sendor Solana Portal. 226 subscribers. It says tap to verify your humanity. And you can preview the Telegram channel before joining. So It says the Big Blue GigaChad mascot meme on Solana powered by OpenAI. And on their webpage, they actually have a white paper, it says. So it says, Sendor, the sentient AI-powered meme coin inspired by Matt Furie. In the rapidly evolving landscape of digital assets, meme coins have emerged as a unique intersection of internet culture and cryptocurrency. Sendor distinguishes itself as the first meme coin to integrate AI with the creative universe of renowned artist Matt Furie. So meme coins have garnered significant attention by leveraging internet memes to create vibrant communities and drive market value. Sendor builds upon this foundation by introducing a sentient AI character inspired by Matt's artwork, aiming to revolutionize the meme coin space through tech innovation and cultural resonance. Sendor is 6'6" fur-covered character from page 58 of Matt Furie's book Mindviscosity, envisioned as a GigaChad. Sendor embodies strength, intelligence, serving as the project's mascot and symbolizing the fusion of art, AI, and crypto. Our mission is to honor Matt Furie's artistic legacy while leading a movement of self-improvement and empowerment, with AI at the forefront by creating AI-generated meme artwork and fostering a supportive community. Sendor aims to uplift and empower all participants, promoting a culture of positivity and growth. So Sendor operates on the Solana blockchain, chosen for its high speed, low fees. And it says here there is a total supply of 1 billion Sendor tokens. 90% is allocated to public distribution, 10% reserved for the team distributed across 3 wallets, 0% transaction tax. Liquidity is locked 100%, contract renounced. And the roadmap starts with community engagement, token launch, partnerships, AI content generation, platform development, merchandise launch, NFT integration, staking mechanism, decentralized governance, cross-chain expansion, continuous innovation, community and culture. And then you could check their socials out there. And it says here their market cap right now is $1.2 million. Today they have a 24-hour trading volume, $571,000. They have $141,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium, and according to Dex Screener, 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see that. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.